In this tutorial, we'll show you how to stream from Premiere Pro to Pixelview with NDI and OBS. With this setup, you get a complete system for showing your work live to remote clients. And no extra hardware is needed. Pixelview also has both video and text chat built in for easy collaboration when you stream. First, go to pixelview.io and click Get Started to create your login credentials. We'll email you your login within a few hours or a day at the most. Then Google NDI Tools and install it together with OBS. Open Premiere Pro and go to Preferences and Playback. Select NDI Output and also select NDI for your audio. Open OBS and add a new NDI source. Select Premiere Pro and set latency mode to low. By default, your audio from Premiere will now only be sent to the stream. To get local playback of the audio in your headphones, you have to enable monitoring in OBS on the NDI source. Right-click on the audio source, select Advanced Audio Properties, and enable monitoring. Then open Settings and select Stream. Choose Custom and enter the server URL that you've received from us. Next, select Output to adjust the video settings and select Advanced. Set a bitrate at up to 12,000 kilobits per second. We recommend somewhere around 5,000 for a good mix between quality and bandwidth. After that, select Ultra-Fast, Main, and Zero Latency for the compression settings. Save and click Start Streaming. Open up the admin link you also received from us and log in. The easiest way to watch the stream is to click on the Watch link in the interface. You can also watch using our app Pixelview Player for iOS and Apple TV for even better color accuracy and latency. To generate a new link for a new client session, simply choose how long you want the new link to be active and click Generate New Link. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or want us to guide you through the setup.